Sometimes leaving a job is necessary because of personal circumstances, family responsibilities, health issues, or other important life events. But when those situations improve, many employees hope to return to a company where they previously enjoyed working. The problem is that simply asking for your old job back isn't enough. You need to explain your situation professionally, show what you've accomplished since leaving, and convince the employer that you're ready to contribute again. A job rejoining letter is a formal request asking a former employer to consider hiring you back, usually in your previous position or another suitable role. It explains why you left, why you want to return, and why you would still be a valuable employee. Today, we're going to break down a professional job rejoining letter, step by step, so you understand exactly how to write one. Sender information. At the top of the letter, we have the applicant's full name, home address, email address, and phone number. This section identifies who is sending the request and provides the company with accurate contact information if they wish to discuss the application or arrange an interview. Always double-check that your contact details are complete and current. Date. Below the sender's information, we have the date, July 13th, 2026. Never skip the date in a formal business letter. It establishes when the request was submitted and helps both you and the employer maintain accurate records during the hiring process. Recipient information. Next, the letter is addressed to Human Resources Manager, Sterling Business Solutions, Nashville, Tennessee 37203. This section ensures that your request reaches the department responsible for recruitment and employment decisions. Addressing the correct person or department makes your letter more professional and organized. Subject line. Next comes the subject. Request to rejoin employment. A clear subject line immediately tells the Human Resources Manager what the letter is about. This allows them to understand the purpose of your correspondence before reading the rest of the letter. Salutation. Then we have the greeting. Dear Human Resources Manager, this is a professional and respectful salutation that is appropriate when writing to the Human Resources Department. Always include a proper greeting because it sets a positive tone from the beginning. Opening paragraph and purpose of the letter. Now let's move into the first paragraph. The opening paragraph immediately explains why the applicant is writing and identifies the position they hope to return to. The paragraph says, I hope you are doing well. I am writing to express my interest in rejoining Sterling Business Solutions and to formally request consideration for returning to my previous position as a customer service representative. This is a strong opening because it is clear, polite, and direct. The employer immediately understands that the applicant is seeking to return to the company and knows exactly which position they are interested in. Reason for leaving. Next comes an important paragraph that explains why the applicant resigned. When writing a job rejoining letter, it's important to briefly explain why you left without giving unnecessary personal details. Employers appreciate honesty, but the explanation should remain professional. The paragraph reads, I resigned from the company on February 28, 2026, due to personal circumstances that required my full attention. I'm pleased to share that those matters have now been resolved, and I am in a position to fully commit to my professional responsibilities once again. This paragraph works well because it acknowledges the previous resignation while reassuring the employer that the circumstances have changed. It focuses on the applicant's readiness to return instead of dwelling on the past, previous experience with the company. Now let's look at the next paragraph. This section reminds the employer of the applicant's previous contributions and the experience they gained while working for the company. The paragraph says, During my previous employment, I valued the opportunity to work with a supportive team and contribute to the company's commitment to delivering excellent customer service. My experience at Sterling Business Solutions helped me strengthen my communication, problem-solving, and customer relationship management skills. I also gained a deeper appreciation for the company's collaborative work environment and professional standards. This paragraph is effective because it highlights both the applicant's appreciation for the company and the valuable skills they developed while working there. It reminds the employer that the applicant is already familiar with the organization's culture. professional growth since leaving. Next, the applicant explains what they have been doing since leaving the company. Employers often want to know whether former employees have continued developing their skills. Even temporary work, freelance projects, or independent learning can demonstrate continuous professional growth. The paragraph reads, "Since leaving the organization, I have continued to develop my skills through independent learning and temporary project-based work, allowing me to broaden my experience while remaining current with industry practices. I believe these experiences have further prepared me to make meaningful contributions if given the opportunity to return." This paragraph strengthens the application because it shows the applicant remained productive and continued learning, rather than allowing their skills to become outdated. Request for re-employment. Now we come to the main request. This section politely asks the employer to consider rehiring the applicant if a suitable position is available. The paragraph says, "If there is a suitable vacancy, I would be honored to rejoin the company and once again contribute to the success of the team. I'm confident that my previous experience with the organization's procedures and culture would enable me to transition back into the role efficiently." This is a strong request because it is respectful rather than demanding. The applicant also points out one of the biggest advantages of rehiring a former employee, which is already being familiar with the company's systems, procedures, and work culture. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section thanks the Human Resources Manager for reviewing the request and expresses hope for further discussion. The paragraph reads, "Thank you for considering my request. I sincerely appreciate your time and hope to have the opportunity to discuss my application further. I look forward to your response." This closing is professional, courteous, and leaves a positive final impression. Then the letter ends with, "Sincerely, Carter Hughes." This is the standard closing used in formal business correspondence. Before we finish, here are a few important reminders. When writing a job rejoining letter, always remain positive and professional. Avoid criticizing the company, your previous manager, or your former coworkers. Briefly explain why you left, but focus more on why you're ready to return and how you can contribute to the organization. Employers are generally more interested in your future commitment than your past circumstances. Also, highlight the advantages of rehiring you. Emphasize your familiarity with the company's procedures, your previous experience, and any new skills you've gained since leaving. Keep your letter respectful, confident, and concise. A well-written rejoining letter should reassure the employer that you are fully prepared to become a productive member of the team once again. And that's how you write a professional job rejoining letter step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.